Need a professional business logo but can't design one yourself? Create a stunning logo in seconds with Legalzoom's AI tool. I'll walk you through the 9 simple steps from homepage to download. Let's get started. Navigate to Legalzoom's homepage. Click the Create Your Business Logo in Seconds with AI button. Click Create Your Logo. Enter your business name. Once that's done, click Create Logos to generate your options. From the gallery of generated logos, click on the design that catches your eye. After selecting your logo, click the Download button. You'll then be prompted to select your plan. Choose the one that fits your needs. Finally, click Continue to finalize, and just like that, you've created your business logo. If you have any feedback or if any info is inaccurate, please leave a comment below. We'll do our best to answer or redo the video if needed. Thanks for watching.